Keter Premier Tall Resin Shed. It's 50 cubic feet, 55.1 inches this way, 28.9 inches deep, 67 inches tall. You have the front door, it looks like this with the handles, opens up like this. You have hardware for 2 shelves, but shelves are not included. You have to cut your own shelves. But this is the Premier Tall Shed, and this is all the pieces you get. This is the panels. It's solid. You have a nice texture here, and it's got good thickness too. It's corrugated, and this is the back side right here. This is the back side, and this is the front side. Back over here and front over here. Solid, right? So you have a bunch of these pieces right here. You have another one right here, another one here, another one here, and another one here and here. So those are the side walls. This is the floor. The floor is solid as well, and this is what it looks like in the bottom. It's reinforced. The floor keeps water and bugs out. I love having a floor. The floor is the reason why we always go for a resin shed, especially a Keter resin shed right here. And this is the roof material. This is the roof right here. It's also resin, solid roof, and then you have some metal hardware. This is metal hardware. This is metal hardware. You have the reinforcement bars, and these are some plastic ones, but they're pretty solid too. More plastic reinforcement. You have the handles. You have the hardware for the hinges, more hardware, and the user manual. But that's what you get. The Keter Premier Tall Resin Shed unboxed. Oh yeah.